So what I always tell people, have a great wrapping kit. You've got to have good tools. It'll make everything much easier. So a great scissors that you only use for cutting paper and ribbon.
Yep.
I use this thing to do my folds on the sides of the box.
Right, to get it nice and sharp.
So it's like a wallpaper smoother outer.
Right.
So I have one of those. It's like 50 cents, or you can get it for free from some wallpaper companies. I use double-sided tape because, again,
I love that.
You don't want to see the shiny. See how this one has the tape on the outside?
Right, and it looks like, and I go like
It's
this.
reflective.
I have to rub it with my nail.
Right, and that takes time.
I know, double-sided is so much
double-sided
smarter.
is a pro tip. And then don't forget your hot glue gun. I like this one because it's zebra. You can use hot glue on your packages and your ribbons and your bows, and it'll work much better, and it's much more inconspicuous than the tape.
So we've got our kit.
We've got our kit.
And you set your station.
Yes.
So you can just stand and wrap and stand and wrap.
Exactly. So what we're gonna do here is we're gonna do double-sided tape.
Okay.
And we're going to put this on the entire top of the box because we're going to tape this piece of ribbon down to make it look like a little highway, and you'll see what's happening.
Oh, so across this way or across this way?
Either way, doesn't matter. I'm gonna put mine right here.
Okay.
And that double-sided tape will just keep it nice and in place.
I'm gonna go down the middle.
And then we'll do the same on the bottom.
Okay.
Okay. Then we're gonna do something really fun. We doing okay over there?
I'm just not as fast as you. I'm trying.
It's okay. I didn't really do it that well.
Okay.
I'm just gonna, in the meantime, I'm gonna hot glue this satin ribbon onto the top.
I'm really trying. I'm trying to do a good job.
You're doing great. And plus, I like you. You're a good person.
Thank you.
Okay.
I'm on Santa's gig list.
Okay.
I only have one ribbon, and it's supposed to have two.
This is turning into a 2-hour special, Rachel. We'll be back after these messages. Oh, my ribbon fell over there. It's Christmas gone wild. Hey, these things happen.
How much glue do I have to put on this thing?
I just glued the whole back side of it.
The entire thing?
Yes.
Oh my God, it's gonna be a 2-hour special, I think.
You're doing great.
Okay, okay.
I'm gonna put this here, okay? How's that look on the front? Oh, don't look down there. Okay.
Okay.
You're doing great.
Wait,
oh, yours looks much nicer.
Is it supposed to be in the middle, like a double solid line kind of vibe?
Yeah, exactly. Yours is better than mine. It's supposed to look like a highway because, well, oh God, I glued my gun to my ribbon. What you're gonna do is...
I could say so many things.
I hate when that happens.
And none of them have... Oh, I just lost the glue.
That was, okay. And then we take the little fun accoutrement, which is the gift hopper, which is the little race car. And there he is on the racetrack. How cute is that?
Wait, I want to do this right.
Yours is nicer. Mine's a little sloppy. You have much better eye for detail. Here, I'm going to glue you down. I
am not leaving this station till I get this line on the highway. Oh my God.
The holidays are supposed to be fun, I said. Okay.
Move.
And then just flip it over.
Wait, I'm going to put it where I want it.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, that looks gorgeous, Rach. And then I'm
almost there.
I'm gonna hot glue you.
See, it just takes teamwork.
Teamwork makes the dream work. There we go, beautiful.
What is more fun and less stressful than wrapping the gifts? Unwrapping the gifts, of course. And that's why everybody should look under their seat, because you all have a little gift.
You get a gift. You get a gift. Everyone gets a gift.
You guys have to catch Carson on Rap Battle Monday nights at 9 p.m. and 10 p.m. back-to-back on Freeform. Everybody's getting a Gamma Plus Italia Aria hair dryer. It's handmade in Italy. It has advanced ionic technology. And it dries your hair up to 70% faster.
Oh my God.